A foundry is a place or factory where the production of casting is produced by the use of melted metal poured into a mold to solidify and produce a new shape. Foundry work is a process whereby casting is produced. In the engineering world, foundry work is highly specialized and recommended. It embraces many skills, including those of molders, pattern makers, furnace men, metallurgists, and core makers. In this video, we'll explore what foundry is, its applications, and how it works. We'll also discuss what foundry shop is, and safety precaution to be carried out in foundry shop. Let's get started. What is foundry? A foundry is a type of factory where metal castings are made. Metals are shaped by being melted into a liquid, poured into a mold, and then having the mold material removed once the metal has set and cooled. The two most frequently treated metals are cast iron and aluminum. However, foundries also use other metals including bronze, brass, steel, magnesium, and zinc to make castings. Parts of the desired sizes and forms can be created with this procedure. Millions of tons of scrap metal are melted and recast each year at foundries as part of the manufacturing recycling effort to produce new durable goods. Sand is also utilized by many foundries in the molding process. Sand is frequently used, restored, and reused in these foundries, which is another type of recycling. By pouring molten metal into a mold, foundry work is the process of creating a metal casting of an object. The foundry sector is frequently thought of as the place where gold is melted and formed into bars or bullions. Applications of foundry. Foundries make much more than only the metal components used in pipes, railroads, and engines. They also serve as parts for the machinery needed to produce many of the basic consumer goods we rely on. Metal castings are used in 90% of all produced goods. Demand for complicated and high-quality products has increased in tandem with a growth in industrial demands and applications. Fortunately, many casting methods can create intricate and precise products for a range of uses and customer requirements. If you are enjoying the video so far, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. What is the safety precaution to be considered in a foundry shop? Safety in foundries is considered by skilled foundry workers with excellent situational awareness, strength, and endurance, because foundry is such dangerous, uncomfortable work for a human. Foundry work is very hazardous due to its working process that involves the melting of metal at a very high temperature of 2600 degrees Fahrenheit, 1425 degrees Celsius, and the unpredictable nature of chemical reactions at extreme temperatures. Steam explosion is very common if a proper cooling process is not involved. Loading metal in a charged furnace for melting is considered one of the most dangerous operations in the foundry. The loading should be done by experts who have developed the necessary skills and understanding of metals and their properties, their melting temperatures, and safe procedures of work. A single mistake can lead to the destruction of equipment and causes injury to the workers. Foundries are hot and sweaty places to work. Workers are expected to wear hard hats, eye protection, face shields, thick aluminized clothing, etc. Foundries are designed with high roofs to allow fresh air to circulate. The reaction of dropping melted metal and concrete floor can lead to cracks, so foundries' floor should be constructed of non-reactive or flame-radiant materials. If you are enjoying the video so far, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. FAQs. What does foundry mean? Foundry is an establishment where founding is carried on. The act, process, or art of casting metals. What are a foundry and its example? A foundry is a type of factory that produces items by pouring hot metal into molds. You probably use a lot of everyday items in your life that include pieces made in a foundry. Castings are the tiny metal components required for everything from cars and trucks to refrigerators, lawnmowers, and airplanes. What are the types of foundries? Induction furnaces, crucible furnaces, cupola furnaces, electric arc furnaces. What are the 5 materials in foundry work? Plaster, gypsum, Resin, metal, bronze, aluminum, lead, silver, and gold, and casting rubber are all common casting materials. Although there are tools made expressly for casting and manufacturing molds, many modeling and ceramic tools can also be used in this field. What are foundry workers called? Foundry process operators make metal castings and parts used in the industry. Learn about investment casting here. Conclusion. Foundry process in an important metallurgical process today. A foundry is a place or factory where the production of casting is produced by the use of melted metal poured into a mold to solidify and produce a new shape. Foundry work is a process whereby casting is produced. If you are enjoying the video so far, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video.